This 2021 Vanleigh Vilano 370GB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Tallahassee, Florida 32304 and is offered for sale by Optimum RV, Tallahassee. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Vanleigh and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bath, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.